Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce our team. We are Team Equity from MNC University.
Uh, we prove the with that data from the case BRI as more that the on 2003 serving the 3.2 million BRI group customer in on 2003 26 divided every Menteri handle about 1,100 customer relationship di that not smash number pro on person wall elson to us to be a digital literasi mentor and market contenter all answer so person task handle pro deal officer whether abu supply or demand areas pro on person one also has to be a digital educator, literature, mentor, and market contenter, LS and so on. So ever nice tax and from handle of it, whether abu supply or demand artist as back addiction, burden on and shoulder that full already full. In this case, there are two came within RNAs division. The free came say string T MSME capability price through mentoring and literacy. This Chrome came size in points pro MSME to be skill if no on we from a team to prove on market access price would what would were prove thing would scam overlock supply sheet and demand sheet word at brook carries out by the person the menteri relationship office the men's debat what perkatu supplies what pertains to the main is the wrong this Prition Becarus relation budget bad when to put this handle by the scam already saturate resurrect those solve the problem is do see publish.
Okay, you look at the demand cycling UMKM BRI's latest market access platform has only reached 15.6 million users, about 56% of the 34.2 million customer base. Even more extreme, BRI Hillian Planner the plastic program to help MSMEs export has only research on 2,000 to 1,000 1,200 MSMEs, less than 0.01% of the customer base. The case itself refers to this rounding error. On consolation, this is a small gap that can be closed with a little extra budget. This is an order of magnitude gap, and this is where most urban program actually is. Okay, next, our solution start here. BRI already has a class claiming ladder framework. For step F to a plus in table 1 of the case, we divide this ladder into 2 tracks. Next one, step F to C MSMEs that are not yet academic. They aren't ready to make their buyer because their quality standard and consistency aren't yet reliable. What they need is supply side support, mentoring, and literacy. Still top the mandate because personal trust cannot yet be replaced by an MC. The next step to a plus MSMEs that are already available. Their capacity is already sufficient. What they need is market access. And this is exactly the area that is most behind, based on the data from the previous slide. Okay, this is the core of our solution. Since the main problem is the matrix already saturated time, we don't add more burden to the matrix. Instead, the difference and asset BRI already owns, but hence maximized for this function 1 from 2 million BRI link agents. Well, 14 times more than the number of monthly. We propose certifying a portion of BRI link agents, especially those around the cluster cluster, to become cluster Onyx agents. A new role dedicated to handling track 2. Their text onboarding stack be plus MSMEs to auto-link to MKM and the BRI Indian Benar Export Pipeline. Facilitating introduction to institutional buyers, and reporting market readiness status back to the matrix so that track 1 and track 2 stay connected even though they are handled by different systems. Okay, so this program does rapid link UMKMs, problem of having many users who aren't necessarily active. We decided intentionally based on outcomes, not registration. First, a success fee that only pays on after the output. MSMEs has been actively transacting for 3 to 6 months. Second, reversal from transaction value curve, BRI Mo BRI Spot. Third, funding comes from reallocating the budget that was previously meant to expand monthly on the demand side, making it more cost efficient since the agent base is much larger.
Okay guys, now we talk about implementation roadmap. We design the implementation in 3 phases. Okay, we start from the first one. It's called phase 1. Phase 1 is around 0 until 6. Pilot in around 50 cluster, initial agent certification, and build an MVP matching tools based into exciting berry spot system. The second one is called phase 2. Phase 2 is around month 6 until 18. It's to expand to all 5.245 billion village, integrate the incentive payment system into berry spot again. And the last one, it's called phase 3. Phase 3, it's around month 18 until 36. A national road across the entire berry link network, targeting the closure of most the gap between link UMKM reach and supply side from customer base. Okay, that's 3 phase our implementation roadmap. Now we can talk about impact and KPI. Because the segments are different, we also separate the success metrics. This also serves as our answer to the case. The second question is about prioritizing social value. We can track with 2 ways. The first one, track 1, is measured by breadth of inclusion. How many unbanked households successfully start the climbing the ladder? And the second one is track 2. Track 2 is measured by depth of information or transformation. The goals is revenue growth and export participation of already established MSME. This way, Berry doesn't need a single KPI to group onto 2 groups with very different needs. Okay. So we can take the conclusion. In our conclusion, Berry question is not about what percentage to supply, what percentage to demand. The question is the right text for the right results. Mantra is to build trust and Berry link agents to connect the market. Okay guys, that's all about roadmap, implementation, impact and KPI, and our conclusion. Thank you for your time guys. Thank you.